This video shows how to buy shares of SBC Medical Group Holdings, Inc. SBC Medical Group is a company in the medical devices and healthcare services sector trading on the NASDAQ under the ticker SBC. This guide is educational only and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you will need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registration, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and then add funds to proceed. Open the broker search bar and type the ticker SBC to find the listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ entry that matches SBC Medical Group Holdings, Inc. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct stock. Check the exchange and ticker to be certain before proceeding. Choose the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest and select your order type. Then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may become a pending order or execute at the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms the purchase. After the order fills, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. For convenience, the broker link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.